Hey friends, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to be doing a collaboration with my sweet friend Miss Betty from Styling with Miss Betty, and her channel features home decor, tablescapes, home improvement, and the most incredible DIYs, but my favorite is her upcycling. Guys, she is amazing. Please go check out her channel, which will be in the description bar below. Show her some love. Tell her that I sent you. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. She is such an amazing creator and I love her so much. So guys, we're going with some sweet treats for ideas for Valentine's Day. And first thing I'm going to do is get these strawberries all clean. I like to use baking soda instead of vegetable wash when I have a very thin skinned fruit or berry, so it's perfect. And I have them all cleaned up and dried off and ready to go. So I'm gonna assemble my items that I'm going to be using. I'm gonna make something quick and easy that anyone can get in any store, and that is chocolate covered strawberries. Ghirardelli actually now has these melts that are available, and they're the regular melting wafers, but they're Ghirardelli. I got white and dark chocolate, and that's what I'll be using. And I'm also going to be using a measuring cup and some toothpicks to dip them with, and that's basically what I'll be using. First things first is they have the instructions on the back. All you have to do is microwave these. You don't have to put them in a double boiler unless you want to. And what I do to dip mine is I remove the little stem, and then I go ahead and put my toothpick inside and begin to dip them. And I like to sort of shake off the excess that this comes with, you know, a little bit thick. So I just do a little bit of tapping and swirling, and it all comes off and it gets really smooth. Now what you want to do is use parchment paper for when you're dipping these, that way it doesn't stick to the plate. I forgot for the first couple of them, and then I remembered and pulled out my parchment paper. So make sure that you do have some of that or a non-stick surface before you start, but I would say go with parchment paper. And now that they're all done, I'm gonna put these into the fridge to set up so we can start decorating them. And next I'm going to do some pretzels. I always like to do at least one or two. It's been super busy at work, but I wanted to do something else. And with these, all you want to do is use the same chocolate, get a tall glass and dip it, and that's all you need to do. But I wanted mine to just be on the tip, so I have a shorter little glass, and I'm just dipping, swirling, tapping, and putting them on parchment paper and in the fridge to set up. Now that my strawberries are set up, I'm going to start decorating them. And guys, I gotta say, it turned into a little bit of an epic fail, but you'll see what happens. So I have my, oh God, I have my food coloring. I'm supposed to put 1 or 2 drops, but I dropped too much in, and I was gonna pour it off, but then I started swirling thinking it wasn't gonna seize up. Oh my goodness, it seized up so bad, guys. I can't even talk, I'm laughing so hard. It turned into like pink fudge or something. It was just horrible. And the crazy thing is, guys, I don't have any more of these white melts, so I'm like, it's a wrap. So I put it in a bag and try to like put a little water and oil in it. And oh my goodness, it fell out. It's like a hot mess now. So I tried to save it and dip the white strawberries into it to like have the color contrast. Oh Lord, that didn't work. So then I used some of the sprinkles I had on hand, and that looks like birthday, so that's not going to work either. So I decided to just get my chocolate and drizzle it over it to try to save it so it's not a disaster. But I gotta say, we actually mess up sometimes and make like epic fails with our videos, and we always, like, I don't cover mine up. I'm just putting it out there, guys. And that's the way it's gonna look. I used it for the other dark chocolates also, and actually I think it doesn't look that bad, and you know, it actually tastes delicious. So it was absolutely so much fun to do this though. Please don't forget to check out my friend Styling with Miss Betty. Her channel is amazing. I know you're gonna love it. and she's one of my favorite YouTubers, so yeah. So I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also comment below if you don't always have the perfect dessert or treat when you make it. This was so much fun anyway, guys, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.